Look, maybe you have a book idea that's been sitting in your head for way too long. Maybe every time you sit down to write, the idea is there, but the plan isn't. Maybe your mind goes blank. You're not lazy or unmotivated. You just need a plan, and maybe you're just a little bit overwhelmed. That's exactly why I created the Author Accelerator. It's a clear roadmap, a clear plan to help you get that idea to a clear, focused plan for your book. It's a simple step-by-step system that helps you go from idea overload, and really in just a few minutes you'll know what to write, you'll know how to write it, you know the parts of the book that you need to focus on the most, who it's for, how to structure your chapters so your message flows and so your book actually gets finished. Imagine holding your book in your hands, knowing that it's not just a book, but it's a digital asset that builds authority, that opens doors. It can attract the type of clients that you want in your business. Imagine sitting down to write and you know exactly what to write, exactly where to go, exactly where to start, confident, excited, and clear on your mission and what you're trying to do. The Author Accelerator gives you that clarity, and you can start right now, and in the next few minutes you could have your book outline written and turn that book into an asset that you can build a business around. And right now, if you grab the Author Accelerator, you'll also get the Book to Business Accelerator Pack totally free. You'll get the Book Writing Secrets audiobooks. You can listen to it on the go. You'll get the Author Success Secrets Framework. This is a 6-part roadmap that shows you exactly how to go from book idea to profitable brand. And you'll get the Author Roadmap. This is my Book to Business blueprint, and it's your visual guide for turning your book into a real business asset. That's about $200 worth of extra value that you get for free just for getting the Author Accelerator. But it's only for a limited time. I don't know how long that's going to be available with this Author Accelerator package. And it's so much easier than you think. You can start today with the Author Accelerator. I cannot wait to help you get your ideas into a published book that actually gets you things like podcast interviews, or maybe speaking engagements, or you can use a piece of it as a lead magnet to build your email list, to build your audience so you can sell your products or your coaching. A book is the best way to establish your authority, and it's so easy to do it. So click below and let's turn your knowledge into a book that can build a legacy for you.